up, you guys? I am still in my work attire. Work's been crazy, but I had to get this done. I'm really excited about tonight. Tonight is the night that I open my Poke Designs custom Pokeball that I ordered. She's an amazing content creator. If you haven't checked her out yet, over on TikTok, Instagram, she's on all the major socials as well. And she does really cool art. I saw her work over on James, Arizona, actually, and I had to try it out. Here's the box. Here's her logo. So you guys go check her out. Please don't mind my knife. And yeah, I'm gonna rip into this bad boy because I've been dying to see this. Oh, she's already sending me goodies, guys. She's already sending me goodies. So let's check this out. What? Oh my god, if this is the Pokeball, it's huge. So I'm gonna guess that this is the Pokeball, but we'll find out. There's something in the bottom here too. Okay. So, let's check this out. Here is... Let's open the small one first. So let's see what's in the small guy. Oh, check this out. Oh, it's a slab stand. Look at that. It's like real, that's real wood. And then you just put the slab in here. I'll have to get my Dragonite out and show you guys. Here is her little logo, Pokey. What? Dragonite, Arcanine. Is that a Growlithe or an Arcanine? Raichu and a baby Mega Lucario stickers. These are amazing. Thank you. A custom metal card. It looks like a golden Pikachu Libre card. That's really sick. A Halloween trick or trade, so we can rip that open. And it looks like all the goodies. So here, let me show you guys what that slab does. I have just the thing for it. So, slab holder. Slab. That's so cool. So that's what it looks like when it's just chilling off. Take a picture of that. Very cool. And again, these were all freebies. Everything you just saw right there was a freebie. The actual Pokeball is in here. I'm thinking. Oh my god, I didn't realize it was going to be this big. I mean, oh, it came with a little keychain too. See that? Feels like I'm unveiling Epcot's ball from Disney World. What? Dude, that's so cool. It even has a little me. I love it. Look at that. It's got Dragonite, Raichu, a little custom me. Got Lucario in there. Oh, wait. You guys can't even see the coolest part. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Is there anything in the bottom there? Okay, no. Yo. Okay, the coolest part of all of this, I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if I'm allowed to tip this thing upside down. But it's a Dragon Ball Pokeball. So the whole idea was, if you guys have seen like the artwork that I had Gustavo do a long time ago, I'm in like Goku's training outfit. And so I'm wearing that in this. And so this is a mix of Pokemon and Dragon Ball. So the bottom half is actually looks like a Dragon Ball, a 5-star Dragon Ball. And then the top half is a Pokeball. That is super cool. And even better, oh, what? Check this out. The river lights up. That is super cool. Oh, what? Check this out. The river lights up. That is super cool. Oh, it has different frequencies. Oh, check that out. So it's got flashing, slow flashing, And then just here. So if I turn off some of my lights here, you'll probably see it better. Genelite Gaming, baby. Lucario, Arcanine, me, Dragonite, and Raichu. All hanging out in a Dragon Ball together. That is so cool. The Raichu and the Arcanine, they don't make those anymore. So she had to buy vintage and then touch them up for me. So now he's just hanging out. That's so cool. Here, I'm going to turn my last light off. Look at that. It's a little me hanging out with all my best friends. And a Dragon Ball Pokeball. Oh, and then I was going to rip this pack. Just to see what we get. But, oh, so we got the Trevenant. And I'm zoomed, like, super far out for, and then Pikachu and Ghastly. Boom. Very cool. But yeah, that was really all I wanted to stream tonight. I just wanted to get on. I'm pretty slammed at work, but I wanted to get on and show you guys this custom Pokeball. So go check her out at Poke Designs. Where's her little sticker? This is what she does.
We'll do it all again when